Are you looking for a super modern place to stay in Austin, Texas? Well, come with us as we show you the Aloft Hotel Southwest. Hey, I'm Pam. After years of being almost completely disabled from scoliosis, I had spinal fusion surgery, and now I'm finally out exploring the world again. On Twists and Travels, I show you how we travel for almost nothing using points, miles, and casino cruise deals. Let me show you how we did it this time. Hey y'all, we're staying at the Aloft Hotel in Austin, Texas, Southwest location. And we stopped by here on our way to Galveston. It's a pretty decent hotel. It's kind of interesting. It's very super modern. As you walk in the front door, here's the little luggage rack. It's got some drawers, so you can put your luggage here. It's got the sink area, has everything you need. The bathroom, restroom, and shower door. Super sleek and modern. I like that it has the shower controls on this side with the water head over here, so you won't actually get, burned or freezing or whatever trying to adjust your temperatures. It's got some nice bathroom accessories. So it's really everything you need. It's just super modern. I haven't stayed in a hotel that's quite this modern before. There's your safe. It has a place to hang clothing. Has your steam iron if you need it. Nice big mirror. Got a little sofa and table over here, a little ottoman, TV, and nice big bed. We got here super late last night, so it is a little messy because this is the morning after. But it was a super comfortable bed, thick plush pillow top and everything. On the side table here, it's got a little pull-out drawer. It's got a cute little thing that says, "Don't forget me." Your phone, the light here, and it has a plug-in, a regular plug. I don't know if you can see that or not on this side, and a USB plug over here on this side. And then over there on the other side of the bed, it has this cute little antique-looking radio. I assume it works. We did not try it. And then again, it's got your USB outlets and your regular plug. It's got a tiny little light here, which is nice at night, so you can turn off the rest of the lights. But guys, this bed, my husband just loved it. Now with my back, it did kind of hurt, so it wasn't super comfortable if you have a bad back and need a hard bed. It's got your coffee maker, ice bucket. It's got a little fridge in here where we put our bottles of water from our road trip. I'm sure you see a huge TV over there. And then this is the window, which I have closed right now. Let me just open that and I can show you all our view. Let's see if we have one. Like I said, we got here really late last night. So we got a view of, I think that's probably Mopac over there. And then some other hotels around in the area. It's not a bad little view though. It's better than just a parking lot. Austin's a beautiful city and there's so much to do here. One thing I forgot to show y'all by this little couch is you have this outlet that has your USB ports here, but if you push this, you got more plugs. And there's 3 of them. There's one all the way around. I don't know if I can get this bottom one. There's not one on that side. But yeah, I thought that's kind of cool how they kind of keep it out of the way. All right, so here's the end of the hall. And your elevator bank. Here's where the ice machine would be, or is. We'll go downstairs. Elevator. They have pretty cool graphics everywhere. These graphics. Didn't want to hang out in there too long because there's people in there. Just one of the hallways down to the rooms. I don't know what's down each way. We'll just investigate. There's the pool area. It's like a nice little outside area. We'll go out there in just a minute. So down here looks like it's a meeting room area. So if you're holding some sort of special event, We have the Zilker Room West, which if you've ever been to Austin, Zilker Park is a huge park here. Let's see if we can go out this way. Yep. All right. Beautiful outside area. It's a great morning. It's super early, so there's not a lot of people out here, which is nice. I can show you all around. They have a lot of little games. I found that interesting. Here's just a little outside area to sit and relax, or they have the fire at night going if it's a cool night, places to sit. They got some Adirondack chairs here. Not sure what this is, some sort of game, I guess. I don't see anything. Oh, it's golf. Where you take out the little flag, I guess, and play golf. And then here's the pool area. Like they have a little hot tub. They do have handicap assistance getting into the pool, which is really awesome because a lot of pools don't have that. So there's a couple places to sit. Nice hot tub area. Beautiful pool area with a slope in so you can sit there and relax. They even have some toys here for the kiddos, which is cool. Another handicap accessible. They have these cute little couch areas to relax with the shade and everything. They look super comfortable for somebody who can get in and out of them easily, which is not me. This is a really big area, so it's super nice. And we'll go inside and we'll show you all the inside. So this is the bar area, which it was open last night when we got here. Apparently it stays open until like 11. So a lot of nice places to sit and relax and visit with your friends. Cute little chairs hanging, pool table, that's cool. And there's the bar. There's a reception area. They do have like, all this is for purchase. They do not have a free breakfast. They have drinks. Looks like a microwave if you want to heat up something, coffee. Oh, here's where you can order your breakfast. So there's the menu and the cost. And then here's all the different snacks they have. They have croissants and some muffins. Muffins are $4. I don't see a price for the croissant, probably pretty close. Fruit, $2 each. But guys, we're in Austin. There's plenty of food around. But if you did want to eat, they do have quite a bit of choices here. What about the front? Greeted by some little plush doggies. We have this right here. Not exactly sure what that is. If you know what that is, guys, let me know in the comments. I know it's some sort of game, but I'm not sure what. They have cornhole over here, some bar stool type chairs, and some more comfortable chairs over there. The Adirondack chairs again, but they have cornhole. And let's see what else is around the corner here. This is AstroTurf grass, so you don't have to worry about it overgrowing or weeds or whatever. Looks like this is probably a smoking area over here for the bar. That's the name of the lounge. And right by the front door, you've got some nice little seating area right here where you can just sit and relax. And you can see the people in there working out. Last night when we came back here, it was dark, and so you could see right into the gym. So you can kind of see somebody's in there running on the treadmill. Anyway, it's a very nice area. Very quiet. It's about, what is it, about 8 o'clock? Yeah. 8 o'clock on a Friday morning, guys. And if you know anything about Austin, the traffic is super bad around here, and it is pretty quiet. Let's go see what this little park area is over here across the road. We've never stayed in this area before. I chose this hotel because I had some free nights from my Marriott credit card. when I signed up for the card, I got 5 free nights, and I had 3 of them that were going to expire. So we decided to use them on this trip to Galveston. So we stayed here last night, and then tonight we're going to head, well, today we're going to head on to Galveston. So we're going to stay in the Residence Inn in Galveston tonight. And then on the way back, we're going to stop in Austin again because we're going to see my sister-in-law, and we're going to stay at a Residence Inn here in Austin on the way back that's closer to where she stays. This is a nice little park area where you can sit on the benches and just visit. Very nice. If you've not been to Austin, it is very much an outdoors enthusiast place. My best friend that I mentioned that we came to visit, her and her husband are very active. They ride bikes all the time and they go camping all the time. And so it's very much a place for people like her to live, work, and play. So this looks like a nice gazebo area. They might do events here. I do not know. Like I said, it's Friday morning, so if they did do events here, typically it would be on the weekend, I would think. But it's a nice little place where you can just sit and relax. You could have a picnic, you know, especially if you're staying here in the hotel. There's a few hotels in this area, so it's a very nice and peaceful park area, even if you have a dog, to walk your dog and just enjoy the area. Anyway, I think that's about all for the hotel tour for today, and I will show you the Residence Inn next. So please like, subscribe. If you like this kind of content, please give us a thumbs up so more people will see it, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye now.